What's up everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to restore your JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. The JBL Charge 5 speaker strikes a great chord, offering a solid mix of compact size and solid power. The speaker handles high, mid, and low tones well, has a built-in charger so you can power other devices, boasts 20 hours of battery life, and with an IP67 rating will hold up well when exposed to water and dust. But even with all of the positives and durable build quality, you could still run into issues with your JBL portable Bluetooth speaker. When this happens, your first step should be to restore your JBL Charge 5 to its default factory settings. The only downside is that you'll need to repair any connected Bluetooth devices. Additionally, because resetting the JBL Charge 5 default factory settings forgets all existing paired devices, this is also a great way to kick people off of your speaker who you don't want connected to it. And if you want to add another layer of protection, I'll link to some carrying cases for your speaker in the description. Now let's walk through the steps to restore your JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. Step 1. Turn on your JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker. You can confirm that the Charge 5 is powered on when the backlight under the power button is lit up. Step 2. Hold down both the volume up and play buttons at the same time for roughly 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the LED ring around the power and Bluetooth buttons will briefly light up before the JBL Charge 5 powers itself off, making this sound. Step 3. Press the power button again to turn the JBL Charge 5 Bluetooth speaker back on. The Charge 5 will instantly turn on in discovery mode with the Bluetooth LED blinking on and off, and the speaker making a pinging sound. This confirms that you've successfully reset your JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. You'll need to pair or repair any devices you want to play audio through the JBL Charge 5 speakers with the device. My video on how to pair Bluetooth devices with your JBL Charge 5 is linked in the video description. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how. If you're either a new YouTuber or are someone interested in getting your own YouTube channel off the ground, check out www.youtubemba.com for insight into the most common questions that new YouTubers have.